Hi first graders, this is Miss Parker. I'm going to share with you how to get to the Capstone interactive ebooks. You can access those from groups or in databases. I'm going to show you how to get to them through groups. I have put a link to them in your first grade readers workshop. So when I click here, Capstone Interactive is here with the purple book and it says Capstone. So what I like about these books is that there's no limit as to how many people can read them at once, and they all have a read aloud feature, and there are books in English and in Spanish. If you don't have this one added to your favorites, you can click here and it'll save it up here in your backpack. I'm going to click open now. And this is what it looks like. You can sort the books by language by clicking English. You'll see all the English ones. By clicking Spanish, you'll see Spanish. You can sort them by grade range. I'm going to choose first grade, but you can adjust this to personalize it just for you. Let's open this one. We're going to click Playbook. And you can read it one page at a time where you have to click and tell it to turn the page, or you can read it like an audiobook and listen to the book all at once. I'm going to use this one.
Believe me, Goldilocks rocks. The story
And to turn the page, you just click this arrow on the right. And if you want to read it without the sound, you can turn it off down here by tapping right there. When the green light goes off, that turns it off. So
First
this
things
is how
first,
you turn the page.
my name is not Baby Bear.
If you need to exit or get out of a book, you can click this X right here in the corner. And I also wanted to share with you some book lists that I've created. So if you really want a folktale, you can go to this group. I have some sports books here, superheroes here, books with songs. So there's something for everybody. We're going to go back to the bookshelf. And I hope that you guys read lots of these books. I think they're awesome. Thank you. Bye.